Oh no!
What's wrong, Alex?
Someone asked me, tell me about yourself.
That's a very common question.
I know, but my brain stopped working.
Really?
Yes, I forgot my name, my job, my hobbies, everything.
Don't worry, you're not alone.
Has that ever happened to you?
Many English learners know the words, but they don't know how to answer quickly.
Today, we're going to fix that problem.
By the end of this lesson, you'll know exactly how to introduce yourself naturally and confidently in English.
And you'll practice listening, speaking, pronunciation, and real conversations.
Let's get started. Hello, everyone.
Welcome back to Learn English with Alex and Alice.
Today's lesson is Tell Me About Yourself in English. This is one of the most useful English skills. People ask this question at school, at work, when making new friends, and even when traveling. Today you'll learn useful phrases, vocabulary, pronunciation tips, and speaking practice. Stay until the end because we'll do a speaking challenge together. Don't just watch. Speak with us. Pause the video when needed. And repeat everything out loud. Ready? Let's go. Let's start with a simple introduction. The first phrase is, my name is. That's easy. Yes. For example, my name is Alice.
Alex. My name is Alex. Can you say it with us? Great. Another natural way is, I'm Alice.
I'm Alex.
Native speakers often use this shorter version.
So both are correct?
Exactly. Now let's add more information. I'm Alice. I'm an English teacher.
I'm Alex. I'm a student.
Can you introduce yourself? Say, I'm. Nice job. Now add your job or occupation.
Excellent.
Let's practice some jobs. Teacher.
Teacher.
Student. Student. Engineer.
Engineer.
Doctor.
Doctor.
Nurse.
Nurse.
Driver.
Driver.
Business owner.
Business owner.
Manager.
Manager.
Designer.
Designer.
Programmer. Programmer. You're doing great. Now let's talk about hobbies. Because people always ask about hobbies. Exactly. A useful phrase is, I like. For example, I like reading. I like football. I like cooking.
I like watching movies.
Can you say one hobby? Use I like. Good. Let's learn more hobbies. Reading.
Reading.
Traveling.
Traveling.
Cooking.
Cooking.
Dancing.
Dancing.
Singing.
Singing.
Photography.
Photography.
Swimming.
Swimming.
Gaming.
Gaming.
Hiking.
Hiking.
Watching movies.
Watching movies.
Now let's make longer sentences. I like reading books.
I like playing football.
I enjoy traveling. Wait, what's the difference between I like and I enjoy? Good question. Both are correct. I enjoy sounds slightly stronger.
So I can say, I enjoy watching movies.
Perfect. Can you answer this question? What do you like to do in your free time?
Did you answer?
Great work. Let's imagine we're meeting for the first time.
Okay.
Listen carefully. Hi, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Tell me about yourself.
Sure. My name is Alex. I'm from Nigeria. I'm a student. I enjoy playing football and watching movies. What about you? I'm Alice. I'm an English teacher. I love reading and traveling.
That's interesting.
Thanks.
Did you notice the structure? Name, country, job, hobby. This simple structure works almost everywhere.
That's much easier than I thought.
Let's build another example. My name is Sarah. I'm from Brazil. I'm a nurse. I enjoy cooking and dancing.
Simple and natural.
Exactly.
I enjoy football.
Not quite. Say, I enjoy football. Or, I enjoy playing football.
Ah, no am.
Correct. Now it's time for a listening challenge.
Listen carefully.
We'll speak at natural speed. Try to understand as much as possible. Hi, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Tell me about yourself.
Sure. My name is Daniel. I'm from Kenya. I work as a graphic designer. In my free time, I enjoy photography and hiking.
That sounds interesting. How long have you been a designer?
For about 5 years.
Very nice.
How much did you understand?
Let's break it down. Graphic designer is a person who creates visual designs. Photography means taking pictures. Hiking means walking in nature. Free time is the time when you're not working or studying. Let's listen slowly.
Much easier now. How much did you understand this time? Now let's do some speaking practice. Listen first. My name is Sarah.
Now repeat.
Great. Listen first. I'm from Canada.
Now repeat.
Excellent. Listen first. I'm a teacher.
Now repeat.
Great job. Listen first. I enjoy reading books.
Now repeat. Fantastic!
Now let's say everything together. My name is Sarah. I'm from Canada. I'm a teacher. I enjoy reading books.
Now you try. Amazing work!
Let's test your English. Question 1. How do you introduce your name?
One answer is, my name is Alex. Or, I'm Alex.
Question 2. What would you say if you like cooking?
I like cooking. Or, I enjoy cooking.
Question 3. How do you talk about your job?
I'm a teacher. I'm a student. I'm a doctor.
Question 4. How do you talk about your country?
I'm from Nigeria. I'm from India. I'm from Mexico.
Question 5. What do you do in your free time?
Give your own answer.
Great job! Let's review today's lesson. We learned how to introduce your name. My name is, or I'm.
We learned how to talk about where you're from.
I'm from.
We learned how to talk about jobs
I'm a.
and hobbies.
I like. I enjoy.
We also practiced listening,
Speaking.
pronunciation.
And real conversations.
Remember, short answers are okay.
Simple English is powerful.
Confidence grows with practice.
Fantastic job today.
You practiced listening,
You practiced speaking.
and you learned how to answer, tell me about yourself.
Now it's your turn. Write your answer in the comments.
Tell us. What's your name?
Where are you from?
What do you like to do?
We'd love to read your answers.
If you enjoyed this lesson, please give the video a like.
Subscribe to Learn English with Alex and Alice.
And turn on notifications so you never miss a lesson.
Share this video with a friend who is learning English.
Keep practicing.
Keep improving.
And
Keep speaking English every day.